Hi guys, I'm back with another video about Microsoft Excel, and in this video we will be seeing the difference between a formula and a function. So this is a very basic video about Excel. Most advanced user may already be aware of this, that there is a difference between a formula in Microsoft Excel versus a function. But those people who are very new to Microsoft Excel may not know this, that there is a difference between a formula and a function. So let's dive into it, that what is a formula and what is a function. So let's just take an example about a very simple function we all know in Microsoft Excel, that is the sum function. So let's create some data, like we have some numbers, we generate some numbers between 1 and 1000, and we get these 5 things. We have randomly generated these numbers. Now what we would like to do is we would like to add all these up, and one way to add these up is by using the sum function. That's the basic function we start with Excel when we are learning, is the sum function. What we can do is we can either go here and put auto sum, and we can also do is use alt equals. What alt equals does is it adds up all the numbers. It is a shortcut key for auto sum, and we enter. Now what this sum is doing, it is adding up all the numbers that are above. Plus, this is a function in Microsoft Excel that is built in for addition. So this, anything that is built in Microsoft Excel is known as function. So this is a function. Now let us see what is a formula. We will copy these and we will paste these over here. Since I am using a formula of randomly, so this will keep changing, but let's not go into that. Now what I would like to do is, I would not like to use a function here. I would like to add up without using a function. So here I will be using a formula. So what is a formula? Formula is anything that does not consist of a function. So like we can add these all up by using the plus sign. So what we are doing is we are adding these all up without the use of a function. So anything that we use from the built-in function using in the Microsoft Excel, that is known as a function. And any custom function that we create by any order, any summation function, multiplication, division, or anything is known as a formula. So I hope you all have now understood the difference between a formula and function. A very basic video, and I will see you again soon. Thank you.